Okay guys, so this is an updated Evora Luxury Apartments 2.0 tour. I am going to show you the gym, I'm going to show you the pool, I'm going to show you the barbecue area that has opened up. If you do want to see a full depth video of this apartment, you guys, I am going to leave the link down below. All you have to do is click it and it's going to take you there, and that way you can see how far like Walmart, Target, Costco, Sam's Club is. So definitely check down below. Now this is the barbecue area, you guys. The last time I was here was completely gravel. So you do have a barbecue area, you do have a fire pit area, and then you also do have the pool. Unfortunately, I couldn't show you the pool because someone was swimming in it, so I definitely didn't want to put that on my video. Obviously, they are trying to relax. But yeah, you guys, as you can see, it is absolutely beautiful. Again, this was all gravel when I was last here. So this is the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom loft. She showed me this particular loft, you guys, just because the view from this loft shows me everything. So I get to see what they have done since I last came here. Now, they don't have any studios available, it looks like. So she said that they'll be opening up much more studios very soon. But as you can see, they are still constructing, they're still building. So definitely keep in mind that there is going to be construction. But again, I just wanted to show you the updated version. Now I'm just heading to the loft part because it does have a balcony and I do want to see the view from that balcony. So yes, let's go. You guys, it was boiling hot, but I did it. I went, and the view is so freaking nice from here, you guys. Like, I feel so high on top of the world, but the view is amazing. Now this is the 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom loft. Now I didn't see this apartment the last time I was here, so she asked me if I wanted to see it. I said absolutely. As you can see, you guys, they do have that tight carpet. It's not fluffy, if that makes sense. This is the closet for the 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. So you do have your washer and dryer in between the bathroom and your bedroom. So I thought that was really convenient, but you do have a stackable laundry. Now you do have a 2-sink bathroom. So this is the shower here, you guys. It's completely massive. They don't have a bathtub, so I just wanted to point that out. But you do have a light changing mirror. And then here you have the toilet completely separate from the bathroom. So if your significant other needed to come in and get something, that will be no problem. This is the kitchen, you guys. I will show it to you soon, but first, let's head up to the loft area. Okay, you guys, so this is the loft area. You do have the sliding door to the balcony, but I did want to show you this. Like, look at this view. Look at the windows. Like, the lighting in here was so freaking pretty. But this balcony, you guys, has to be the biggest balcony I have ever seen. It's massive. You can do so much with this, you guys. You guys, this is the whole balcony. Like, this is insane. That is where you come from the loft, and all of this will be your balcony. How massive is this freaking balcony? And that is your neighbor, but the wall is so high that you cannot even tell. Wow, you guys. And that right there is the strip. That right there would be Durango, IKEA area. But look at this. You have outlets there. You can definitely put so much. Okay, so let's go downstairs and check out this kitchen. So you have a full kitchen. You do have a electric stove, you have a microwave, you have a dishwasher, and you have a massive sink. Then you have a 2-door fridge with the freezer at the bottom. And then this is just the view from the kitchen. They do have restaurants available, you guys. This one right here that you're seeing that has opened up for lunch and dinner. Now we're just heading through the leasing area and we're going to go upstairs in the elevator to see the gym. Now they do have private offices and podcast spaces. And then this is just the community lounge and the coffee area. You guys, it smelled so good in here, and they were playing like jazz music, so it was such a calm space to be in. There was someone sitting there, so I had to be very careful. Again, I didn't want to, intrude with my camera. So there is going to be an outside lounge. They're just building that at the moment, but this is the inside lounge right now. And then you do have a conference room as well. So this is the yoga space, you guys. Again, this was not available the last time that I was here, but they have finished it, so it's good to go. I thought this one was really nice, especially to those people who love yoga. I feel like this is just a massive space. So this is the gym, and you're gonna see the sauna room and the steam room as well. The gym again was not available when we came the last time, so this is their full gym, you guys. They have everything here, which is insane. And it's massive. It's absolutely massive. Also, I couldn't do like a whole pano of the gym because someone was working out, so unfortunately, yes, I couldn't do that, but it is massive, you guys. This is the sauna room. Someone was using it, so it was boiling when I opened the door. So yeah, and also the steam room was steaming, but I did my best. I went in there and my camera got all foggy out and I was sweating. So they do have lockers for women and men, and a full bathroom as well. Guys, so that was Evora 2.0. This is the second time that I've come to Evora. I did see the pool, which is open now, and then I did see a 1-bedroom loft that I didn't see before in my last video that I did of them. I won't go into depth, you guys, because I just wanted to do like an updated version of the Evora, obviously showing the gym, showing the common area, and then showing the pool. And then she was so kind enough to show me the 1-bedroom loft, which I'm so freaking like wowza, because did you see that balcony, you guys? That balcony is humongous. Like, it's so big, and the view is just out of this world. So if you do want to see like a full in-depth, you guys, of like how far everything is at, I'm gonna leave that video down below. You just have to click it and it is going to show you like how far everything is at from the Evora. I'm not going to do it on this one just because this is just like an updated one. Again, you guys, this is a very luxury apartment here in Spring Valley. When I first came and toured these places, most of the stuff was not open yet. So she did show me a couple apartments, a studio, a 2-bedroom, and then a 1-bedroom, and then a 2-bedroom loft on my last tour. This one I got to see the 1-bedroom loft, which I'm so in love with. But then I also saw the gym, the sauna, the steam room, the lockers. Like, it is so freaking beautiful, you guys. All right, guys, so if you do want to tour these places, you guys, I'm gonna leave everything down below. That way you can come and tour these places for yourself. Again, this is a Spring Valley area, and they do have restaurants and they have salon where the leasing office is. So this place, you guys, is humongous. Okay, like it is such a humongous apartment building. They are still building other apartments, so studios will be coming available in 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom and lofts as well. So, but I will definitely keep you updated with everything, you guys. I hope you like this video. Again, you guys, it's just like an updated version. If you want to see like everything in depth, click the video down below, and then that's going to show you the first video that I did of these apartments. I am melting literally because I have to have the aircon off. So I will see you guys in my next apartment tour. Keep a lookout. I'm going to be putting out videos this week, you guys, like crazy. It is hot, you guys. It is 103 Fahrenheit, so your girl is melting. But again, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys. We are almost at 8,000 subscribers, so thank you to everyone who has subscribed, you guys. I am just blown away. And then don't forget to turn on post notification bell. That way, as soon as I upload any video, YouTube will let you know. Bye, guys.